Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Classroom. Google.com and signing into the correct Google account. Make sure it's the one linked to your school. Once logged in, scan the dashboard for the class card you need. Class names and teacher names are visible. If you don't see the class, click Join Class and wait for the prompt. Teachers may restrict automatic enrollment. These first steps get you into the right workspace so you can find the code quickly without switching accounts. Once inside the class, click the Settings gear in the top right to reach class details. This is where Google displays the classroom code, typically a 6-character mix of letters and numbers. Make sure to read the class name and section so you copy the correct code. Many schools use similar names. If you don't see a code in Settings, check the classwork header or the stream for an invite post, since some teachers post codes there, or they may have turned codes off. Copy the classroom code by selecting it in Settings or tapping the copy icon, then paste it into Join Class or message students directly. If you notice strangers joining, ask the teacher to regenerate the code. This invalidates the old one immediately. Once done, make sure to save any changes and confirm students can join. If nothing appears, clear your browser cache, try an alternate browser or device, and contact the teacher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.